All right, let's make something beautiful. Or at least less tragic than your last Canva attempt. Step 1. Go to Photos and pick an image. I'm going with Fitness Girl Jumping, because apparently everyone online is now a motivational coach. Add the photo to your canvas. Click Edit Image, or skip the fancy menu and just hit Background Remover. Now position her properly. Duplicate the photo, because nothing says pro designer like doing the same thing twice. Click Edit. Then hit Duotone effect. Customize it. Make the highlight black. Click back, then go to Blur. You want whole image, intensity. Make it 50%. Click the arrow to go back. Lower the transparency to 50%. Hit these 3 dots. Layer. Send it to the back, because you're in charge here. Now click Text. Add a heading. And type your first letter. Pick a font that says, "I'm creative, but still employable." Increase the size until it screams, "Look at me." Change the color to match your vision. Click Effects. Hit Shadow and tweak those sliders like your rent depends on it. Look down. Transparency to 80%. Blur to 50%. Direction minus 90%. Offset 50%. While you're here, change the shadow to black. Duplicate the letter and make the next one. Now line those bad boys up like soldiers. That's right. Repeat that till completed. All done? Excellent. Now duplicate your image. Now position her properly. Crop from the right, because asymmetry is art, apparently. Finally, change your background color to something that matches your aesthetic or your soul. And there you go. You like that, huh? Hit the thumbs up. You've earned it. Subscribe for more tutorials that make you dangerously creative. See you in the next one, where we'll outsmart the algorithm together.